Hello and welcome to brief overview of TILSOFT EB system, adapted solution for furniture industry. My name is Han, business analyst. Today I will focus on three things: system overview, main module on TILSOFT, and product management process. Now I will start with first part system overview. First add-on, TILSOFT is a web-based application, so you can access it via own device that can connect to internet, like mobile phone, tablet, or your television at home. And you see that you just enter the address here, and of course log in with username and password. This is the main screen when you log in TILSOFT. On the top of left, you can see the information of your account here. And most important is the dashboard. This will show you the dashboard that help you to summarize and manage all tasks and news of system. And you can quickly access with one click like this. For example, I want to know the information of this factory order. I just click here, and TILSOFT will show the detailed information of factory order here. The second thing on the left, you can see the main menu of TILSOFT. On this menu, it will show all main module on TILSOFT. Now I will move to a second part that I will introduce you main module on TILSOFT. The first, you can see the dashboard module. Second, you can see the system administration. On this module, you can manage all the user and give a set right of each user on your system. HR module will help you to manage employee, organization chart. Product development. For each module, we will have three parts. Uh, the main function here, the category will help you to define information you on your module. And the last part is the report. For each module, we also have many reports to show you the detailed information that you can see directly on TILSOFT. This is a very important module. Product development can help you to manage model, product, gallery, and sample process. The next we have a sales module. In this module, you can manage client information, offer, or create sale order or shipping instruction from client. Besides that, you can manage sale agenda or every request from client here. Purchasing module will help you to manage supply information, create factory order, and have a quotation here. Quotation module will help you to manage the price between your company and factory. Logistics module will manage booking, packing list, factory BLC, and also loading plan. Inventory will help you to manage all the items in your warehouse, consist of material, component, product, fixed asset, all the tools of your system. Factory module will help you to manage factory information, factory performance invoice, or factory quotation. And this is a very important module that production. On production module, we have a work order, bill of material order. We can create a receiving note or delivery note to issue material for production, estimate material, and master production schedule. On this module, you can manage all your production at factory. And accounting module will help you to manage all the commercial invoice, purchasing invoice, and the payment from client and factory payment, and also report to show you the cash flow and revenue or costing of your company. Administration module will help you to manage all document and document you want to send to client. And the last module is a showroom. On this module, you can manage all the items in your showroom, with a very useful report that show you how many items that you will show in your showroom. Yeah, I have an overview of TILSOFT system that can show you main module and main feature of each module. Now I will move to the last part that show you the product management process. As you know that in on furniture company, how to manage model, how to manage product is very important because this information will use for production and send to client to create a factory to create offer. So on the product management, we will manage on the product development module. On this module, you can see the first is a model. On this function, TILSOFT will manage own model at your company. For example, you want to find a model name code FA03. You just need to enter the code here and click enter. So TILSOFT will show you the model that you want to find, and you just click on the edit button to see the detailed information. For each model, we manage it in many tabs here. General, on General tab, you can see the code, the name, type of model, for example, set, chair, or bench. In this case, this is a set model. Season and group. In this case, we use group mean that the main material to produce this model. And one important thing here that the bits, because you can see that this is a set model, so we need to declare what the bits of this set. In that case, you can see that the set FA03 have a 3 bits. First is right arm, left arm, and one table. We also manage the dimension of model here. The second tab, we will declare on spare part of this model. And of course, submaterial packaging methods. We can have many packaging methods for each model here. And for each packaging method, we will declare the carton box dimension, the load ability for each type of container, CBM and quantity per box. We can input here. Besides that, we can manage the detailed information for cushion type, consist of back cushion and seat cushion. For each parameter, we can manage here. And the most important of furniture model that we need to manage many image of each model, and we have a tab screen free scan to manage image of model. And you can click here to upload image of each model very quickly. For example, you just click on that and select the picture that you want to upload. And we have a tab garden that can help you to manage the garden image of model. And besides that, you can add the video of this model. This is all the information that we have managed of its model. And besides that, we have managed the price information of model on the below tab. The first tab, we have managed the price setting. On price setting, we will manage based on the season. For each season, we have a difficult price setting. For example, this is the price setting of season last season of model FA03, and you can see that we can declare the default price. Default price, that means when the sales grade offer automatic, it will show the default price here. If the sale change, the main material is acacia or techlook, it will change the price here. The second tab, we use manage the default option of each model. Default option means that the model will be print on your catalog, because when you print catalog, you will see the default option of model. The second, you can manage the technical drawing file here. In this case, you have many factory can produce this product. So you want to know what the default factory produce this model. On the test report tab, you can manage and upload the test report of this model, and also for quality notice. On sample tab, TILSOFT will link all the sample process of this model here. For example, when you create a sample order, and you want to produce a sample for this model. So, for example, in that case, we have a sample code uh, 337, and this code will produce a sample for model FA03. So in that tab, you can see the progress, detailed progress of production of model here, production of sample here, and you can see you also manage the status of this model. In that case, you can see that the factory has finished this model, and this will automatically generate the code of model here. Next step, you can see the product, because in the first class we manage the model, and based on model sales create offer, and after they finish the offer, they will generate the product code, and product code have a 26 character, because in product code we will manage all detailed information of model. For example, this is the product code of model FA03, and you can see the detailed information of property product attribute here. So based on this information, we will create a new code, and put on the product attribute in the description of model. And the last tab, you can see the product breakdown. On this tab, you will manage breakdown of this model. For example, I will access a breakdown of model FA03. In this case, you can see that we have a three tab. The first is the main material to produce this model. You can see we can declare the alu frame, or power coating, wicker, or all material that need to produce this model. And the second tab, you can declare on the cost, for example, general cost, or management cost, or labor cost, or all the cost. This cost you can declare the price or the percent based on the total value of main material. So in TILSOFT, for each model, we will manage detailed information of model, and all related information of model in TILSOFT system. We will link to a product breakdown, or product, or sample, or many information that you can attack and manage here. Next, I want to show you how the sales can create offer based on model. When sales want to create the offer, they will access to a sales module and offer function. For example, I will create an offer for model FA03. I click on new button here, and the next step, this TILSOFT will ask you to input the model that you want to create the product. For example, I will create offer for model FA03. You can see that when I input the FA03, TILSOFT will show the detailed information of order here, and I will click on the select button to create offer for this model. This is the wizard that can help you to select the product attribute. First, we will choose the material here, and you can select the FSC, UFSC, or just your FSC level here, and this is the percent of FSC here. Next, you can choose the material type. In that case, you can see TILSOFT will show the option of material type for model FA0G, and we also show the image, detailed image of this material. You select by click. Next, you will select the submaterial. For example, I will select the acacia thick look, and fabric color, I will choose group 30GR, and I can see here is blue, gray, dark gray, or towel. Next, you can select the cushion specification. For example, first you will select the seat cushion, one is big, and the back cushion, I will choose flat piping. And you need to select the packaging method. First of all, I will select standard here. And you can see that TILSOFT will show the pricing. The first is default price. Standard price will based on default setting. And when you select the detail attribute, it will affect in your price here. After that, you click finish to complete this model. And you can see here, based on your selection, TILSOFT will automatically grade the code of product consists of 4 characters of model and 22 characters of detail attribute when you selection. And all your attribute will show in the description here. In this case, sales team can see the indicate price here. And first of all, they will input 10 quantity, and they will input the unit price. For example, they will use same price on the indicate price. And after that, they will click on the save button to finish create offer. So back to the block development, you can see that we will first class we will manage all the model in your system, and when you create product in the offer function, all the product information will be managed on product module. Besides that, all your sample process will be managed in sample process module. In this module, you can manage all your sample process that you want to create or make with a client, and you can click edit button to see the detailed information. The last thing I want to show you that you can see that we have many modules here and many functions. So in some case you can remember exactly where the location of module you want to access. So it's very easy. You just click on the file module here. For example, I want to access to module sales sale order, but I don't know exactly where is it. I just remember the name of it. So in this case, I will type it here, and you can see that TILSOFT will show all the related module here. And first of all, I want to access to sale calendar, sale order. I just click here, and TILSOFT will access directly to the module that I want to access. Yeah, it's very simple to access to the module, and all the information in TILSOFT have a link together, so it helps you quickly access and see the data on TILSOFT. And that is for today. Next time I will show you the detailed information on the same module and purchasing module. Yeah, thank you for your time, and bye bye.